Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The National Export-Import Bank of Jamaica, Exim Bank, is encouraging business operators still affected by Hurricane Melissa, particularly small and medium-sized enterprises, to take advantage of its loan facilities. Manager of Loan Origination and Business Development, Hopton Nicholson, said that the bank continues to provide traditional lending to assist the clients affected by the hurricane in their recovery efforts, while addressing the recent Small Business Association of Jamaica Export for Success membership meeting at the bank's Hope Road location in Kingston. Exim Bank provides traditional loan products focused on export development, trade financing, and SME growth, often with lower collateral requirements than commercial banks. These include short-term working capital up to 180 days, medium-term loans for SME expansion, and foreign currency lines of credit for raw material importation. Among the products is the e-commerce funder, which is used to develop, upgrade, or expand e-commerce infrastructure. The loan limit is $1 million to $5 million at a 5% interest rate fixed, and the loan term is 5 years. There's also the Exim Express, which is short-term financing that enables clients to access funds from receivables. Sandals Resort International is accelerating the growth of its beaches, resorts, all-inclusive family across the Caribbean with a US $1 billion expansion strategy. This strategy comprises adding new resorts, expanding existing properties, and opening new destinations for family travel. Jamaica remains central to the beaches portfolio. New resorts are also coming to Barbados and the Bahamas, with the Barbados project marking a strategic expansion into one of the Caribbean's most established tourism markets, while the Exuma development in the Bahamas brings the brand to a destination known for its clear water, smaller scale footprint, and growing luxury demand. For the trading period of May 7, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Jamaica Teas, limited with 10,631,844 units, representing 31.59% of market sales activities. Kingston Wharves Limited with 5,016,095 units, representing 14.9% of market sales activities. JetCon Corporation Limited with 3,009,209 units, representing 8.94% of market sales activity. Investor activity remained concentrated in gaming and shipping, automotive and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for May 7, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. Trading margins for the US dollar reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.86 and buying at $158.74. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $6.61 transaction spread. The Canadian dollar sold for $118.07 and was bought for $111.46. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $2.77 in profit for the banks. The British pound sold for $216.30 and was bought for $213.53. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, is your child going to university? Well, start building their credit strategy now. Most parents help their children prepare for classes, housing, and budgeting. Few prepare them for one of the systems that will shape their adult life for decades, which is credit. Your credit report is not just a financial document, it is a teaching tool. Pull it out and walk your child through it. Show them how on-time payments build trust. Show them how high balances create pressure. Show them how long financial mistakes stay on record. Show your children how recovery is possible with discipline. Help them take action early. Start 1 credit account. A student or a secured card is enough to begin building history. 2, attach 1 recurring expense, a phone bill, streaming subscription, transportation costs. Keep it simple. 3, automate payments immediately. Good credit is built through systems, not memory. 4, keep balances low. Using a small percentage of available credit matters more than having a large limit. 5, review their credit profile together quarterly. Teach them to monitor, adjust, and stay proactive. University is not just an academic transition. It is the start of your child's financial reputation. Teach them to build it with intention. For our funded and focused feature, micro-businesses do not fail because they lack ideas. Many fail because they choose the wrong funding. Fast money from a loan shark can destroy profits before the business even grows. Credit cards can help with cash flow, but only if they're managed aggressively. Microcredit gives entrepreneurs access to smaller structured loans when banks say no. Traditional bank loans remain the cheapest option, but qualification takes preparation, discipline, and documentation. Family and friends can provide startup support, but every agreement should be clear and professional. Some entrepreneurs are now exploring micro stock markets to raise capital without depending entirely on debt. But the strongest funding source is still customer revenue. Every sale proves demand, strengthens cash flow, and keeps ownership in your hands. The goal is not just to access money, the goal is to choose funding that builds the business instead of controlling it. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.